So today I will tell you how to show COD only for Spain. So here you can see I have already applied the same rule. So you can see for the country Spain, COD is visible. If we select any other country, then COD will not be visible. So in this video, I will tell you how to set up this. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also use the same app from Shopify App Store. Once installed, click on advanced cash on delivery and then click on limit COD based on location configure button. Then we need to select our payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have added fee for cash on delivery, you can just toggle on this button and add your delivery method. As of now, I don't need this, so I'm toggling off this button. Then you need to change the status to enabled. And from country drop down menu, select allow COD for this country and select country for which you want to show COD. I want to show COD for the country Spain. So I'm selecting the country Spain and save your changes. Now we will check this on our online store. Just go to your online store and add any products to the cart and just fill your full address and check if COD is available. So here I have already selected the country Spain. So here you can see cash on delivery is available for this particular country. Now we will select any other country for which COD is not enabled. Let's try for India. So here you can see cash on delivery is not available for the country India. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to show COD only for country Spain. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.